Hi guys, so we are here for a nighttime stroll in our balcony. Say hi, Ithar. He's a little fussy today. We'll continue with that. So we are back again for the nighttime stroll, this time on the terrace. So what I was saying is that everybody advises the new moms on, fitness, bouncing back. And even I used to think, अरे breastfeeding phase होगा, it'll be so easy, मतलब the body is already burning so many calories. And if I put in a little more effort, I'll in fact lose more weight than the pre-pregnancy weight. Tried to start at least some basic exercises a month back, and I also resumed my Fitello diet because I thought up to three and a half months have passed, I can manage. But within 2 days I realized it's very difficult. I was not able to manage either a diet or consistently work out. Then again, from the last 2 days, I have tried to resume my strength training. I am not very good at it. I had only started it from last 2 to 3 years only. A little more, but I was never consistent. And after we moved here in Greater Noida, we have our gym in the parking. We have set up our gym, and that is when I tried to be consistent, at least work out for half an hour at least. So then I thought, look, I'll not post about it. Nazar lag jayegi. Because that's what happens mostly, right? We talk about it and it just somehow you can't do it the next day. But then I've thought, the reason I created this page is to share the unfiltered and real experiences of motherhood that I am having, and maybe in hope that some of you can relate to it. And I'm sure most of us think about it. And then I also realized another thing, that it's not about bouncing back, because I don't want to bounce back to anything, but it's the feeling that I get when I am working out. I am not being over dramatic, but I was very lazy and non-athletic person growing up. So once I started, my husband motivated me, and he is the one who trains me also. He's my trainer. So I used to feel very good that my body can achieve this. So from the last 2 days I've been feeling that, and it's so good. So moms, let's try to take out some time, even just 15 minutes for ourselves, where we can feel our old selves. I'm not just talking about workout to be a fitness enthusiast or something. Anything that you used to do that you used to be amazed at by yourself, we can do that, right? Just to feel the same. So yeah, let me know in comments if you are also thinking to maybe resume your workout or any other hobby or habit that you used to do before you became a mother, and you wish you could take that time out.